Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the Elf Bow small metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com starting November 1st. You could get a 10% discount using Prismatic10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First thing, I'd like to show you some elf bows that I've already made. I stuck some of these bows on these puffy stickers that I bought from Michael's a long time ago. I thought they were the perfect size for these elf legs. It's just so perfect for each other. The bow measures, when it's finished, the bow measures about 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters. The paper collection that I used is from Simple Stories Mix and a Mingle, and it's just really colorful and it just matches with these stickers. And I used the glue gun to glue it onto the top of this leg. So it's just so neat, and you can just put it all back into the package. It's just like, it's like really like they all match together. Just thought that was so neat. And also from my stash, I had these elf heads, and I thought, wow, this is going to be perfect for these cute elf bow. And it really does match with the elf bow, with the elf head. And I put this pom-pom and the glitter glue on the hat to put some accents on it. It's just so cute. Here's another one, and I used some glitter paper, and these are really easy to make. It won't take too long. I'll show you how I did it. So from this die set, we'll cut out one piece of this top portion, and then one piece of this bottom portion of the bow. And then we have these decorations, which are this part here. Cut 2 of those. Well, yeah, so just cut 1 of each of these, and then this one will go in the middle of the bow to secure everything in place. And these are cut 1 piece of each of these corner pieces, so you'll have 4 pieces, which I have down here, the corner pieces which go onto the corner of these bows. So I'll just start gluing them together. Let's start off with this long jagged piece. I would stick this in the middle of the bow, like in the middle of the side of the bow. But if you want to see more of this edge, then I suggest to put it a little bit inward, like towards the middle more, but still in the center, so you can see the ridges more when you bend the bow. I'll do the same thing on the right side. And let's glue the corners. It's really quick and easy. Hence I have like 6 sets of elf legs, and I mean 1 set of 6 elf legs and 1 set of 6 elf heads with the bows. just love the size of this bow. And curve the bow a little bit. You could use your table to do it. I'm using my finger to curve it. Put some glue at the back in the middle and place these two tabs towards the center like this and press on it. And ensure these edges align with the other edge so it's uniform. Like that. And we'll put some glue in here to glue this part on top of this part. And I'll turn on my glue gun. And I'm aligning it to the bottom too, like this. And we have the strip. Put a little bit of glue here. And, oops. Oh, dropped it. And start folding it around and around. I'll put a little bit more glue. It dried out. Yeah. There we have it, a bow. Really simple. And I got this embellishment brad that's has a sticker at the back. It's part of the Simple Stories Mix and Mingle collection, and I'll stick it in the middle of the bow like this. There, look how cute this looks. My glue gun is ready, and we'll just dab some, oh, I ran out of glue. Oh, okay. And we'll just dab some glue here, as well as here on this side of the leg, and place the bow on top. Press on it a bit. There, so cute. Here we have the elf bow in the small size from Scrap Diva Designs. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!